What a delicious slice, Elmo. What do you think about that pizza slice?
It was kind of tasty, to be honest, Shark Puppet. What are you gonna do now?
Ready for the last slice?
Bet, Shark Puppet. Let's get it.
Ew. I need all the cheese in my stomach.
Me too. This was so tasty, Patrick.
Yes, SpongeBob, it was.
You down for the last slice? Yeah.
Hey! Elmo, now we're thinking of getting the last slice. But guys, we were thinking of this first. Well, yeah, we want pizza. Yeah, but what's the point? We like pizza. You guys like pizza too, don't you?
Yes, we do, Shark Puppet.
Okay. I have an idea.
What's your idea, Shark Puppet?
How about whoever gets the pizza first wins?
Shark Puppet, you think this is a good idea?
Yeah, Elmo. What could possibly go bad?
Alright, whatever you say, Shark Puppet.
Alright, Elmo. We do not got much time left. Let's go!
Right when you are, Shark Puppet. Not so fast, Shark Puppet. Come on, let's go!
Right when you are, buddy. Alright, Elmo, we're here. Let's do this, Shark Puppet. Come on, SpongeBob. Come on, SpongeBob. Yes!
Well, this is strange. We got here at the same time.
Yeah, Elmo, we're correct. Let's see who'll get the slice.
Well, boys, looks like it's gonna be a duo versus duo.
SpongeBob, you think this is a good idea?
What do you mean, Shark Puppet? What could possibly go wrong? Yes, Shark Puppet, we got the slice.
Oh, not so fast, you two. My slice.
My slice now, Shark Puppet. You are never gonna take our slice now.
Elmo.
Not so fast. Our slice. Nobody takes our slice from us.
Ew, like what Elmo said.
Dun, 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 dun.
Come on, Elmo. Take the tickets to play fast.
We did it. Not so fast, you two. Give me the pizza.
Hey, give me back that slice.
Nope.
But we got here at the same time. What does this mean?
Well, Shark Puppet, technically, it is our slice.
But we got here at the same time.
Yeah, I know. But there's we really want the last slice, but you guys just want to get it.
Yeah, because we're hungry.
Dude, give me that slice. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Come on, Shark Puppet, hurry.
I got it.
Good job. Oh no, the pizza's gone.
What you need now, SpongeBob and Patrick?
Patrick, what are we gonna do now?
Get him! Yeah!
Coming at you, Patrick. Yeah. Come on, Shark Puppet. There's not much time to waste.
Come on now, let's go!
Right where you are, dude. Yeah.
Give me that slice! No, this is our slice, Shark Puppet. Not today, SpongeBob. What are these boys doing down there? Gotta go see what they're doing.
Well, Shark Puppet, this is a standoff.
Yeah, let's see who'll get the last slice. Boy, stop! Okay, what does my mom want? Shark Puppet, what is up with all this chaos down here? Mom, I can explain. Okay, tell me. So we were just finishing up some pizza, and then SpongeBob and Patrick wanted the last slice, so does us, me and Elmo. And we were getting there at the same time, and we were fighting over the pizza. Oh. Always remember, son, don't fight over pizza, okay? Or even other objects. Got it, Mom. Yeah. Listen up, guys. What do you want, shark puppets, Mom? How about I make a deal for you guys? Okay, Mom, what is it? How about you and Elmo get the last slice, and SpongeBob and Patrick can wait next time?
Oh, okay. Should we agree to what his mom says?
Yes, we should.
Alright, we can listen now.
Thanks, boys.
No problem.
The slice is all yours, guys.
Thanks, Shark Puppet's mom.
Thanks, Mom. You're welcome.
Well, looks like this is really our slice, guys. Nice try. Come on, Patrick. Let's go.
Come on with you, SpongeBob. Good night, Shark Puppets, Mom. Good night to you too, SpongeBob and Patrick. Well, boys, the slice is all yours. I'm going to bed also. Night, Mom. Night, Shark Puppet.
Alright, ready to eat?
Yeah, let's do this.
Oh, well, Shark Puppet, let's just continue what we were doing.
Yeah. Do 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 do